Right now, doctors at CHKD say they're seeing the biggest surge in patients since the highest peaks of COVID. They tell us flu, COVID, and RSV cases are filling the emergency department, urgent cares, and pediatric practices. According to the CDC, RSV infections spiked nearly 70% over the last 4 weeks. This comes as a new treatment is being approved overseas for children. Here's ABC's Rhiannon Alley.
Children's hospitals from coast to coast are seeing a dangerous spike in sick kids. RSV infections are now double what we saw last year, with cases not expected to peak until February.
We've seen about a 500% increase in positive testing in children that have been admitted for upper respiratory infection.
Hospital pediatric beds are now above 80% capacity in at least 17 states. In Michigan, RSV cases jumped from 95 in September to more than 800 in October, and the cases apparently more severe than in years past.
We're giving a lot of support that often requires inhalation therapies, sometimes steroids, sometimes breathing machines like ventilators until the virus itself works its way out.
Officials yesterday confirmed a 6-year-old boy from Detroit died from RSV. His death, one of hundreds expected this year. 500 children and 14,000 adults die from RSV-related complications each year, with infants and seniors most vulnerable.
The most susceptible to complications and hospitalization and issues with it are young babies, so babies and children under the age of 2.
Meanwhile, overnight, doctors in Europe announcing a breakthrough in preventing RSV infections. The European Commission now approving a monoclonal antibody injection that protects newborns against the virus.
We've been looking for solutions to be able to prevent RSV for close to 50 years. We don't think that this is going to stop all infection from RSV. What this is really designed to do is stop RSV from being a serious disease and really causing those severe lung infections.
The treatment has not been approved in the U.S., but it could be approved by next fall. Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.